Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something super special. I can't even fake my way through it. It's not special at all. I screwed up. I totally screwed up. Last time we got Walt Life, we went on their site to cancel and apparently skipped a month. And then another one. Well, okay. Ready? Yay! So, I'm gonna give it another fair shot. I've got to, because this cost me like 85 bucks. So this is their Kingdom box. The box itself is like 75 and the shipping is like 10 bucks or something. And they have new packaging, so maybe, and it's pretty heavy. We're going in with a good outlook on this one. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so there's magic inside. So their boxes used to look like a treasure chest and had a bunch of cute stuff all over it. Now it says, well, it's got that on the cover. Walt Life begins adventure your adventure begins. Okay. So, actually on the bottom of this box, the other one didn't have this. So I was always guessing that there's not many things you can do for preferences on this one. They give you which box you want, which is basically how much money you want to spend. And then if you want it to be for male, female, or neutral. And then a age range. And then on the bottom here it says box edition number 9, collect them all. So I'm not sure how many different boxes that they put together that fit your choices, but you can't go in there and say, I don't like pop, I don't like earbands, I don't like hats. You can't do any of that kind of stuff. But a lot of people do like these boxes, so let's see. Shall we? Let your dreams begin. Green light. Alright, so it says it's all about you. They have this where you can take a picture of it and then put it on social media and you get a chance to possibly win something. And then let's get started here. So, we don't do hats and earbands, but here's a hat. It's Mickey though. That's cute. There's no price tag on it. It does have 90 years tag. So this box is a little tougher to figure out what the value is, because some of these things are a little tough to track down. There is a tag on here, but there's no price. I'll put a better picture in the photo box. Boop. Again, I mean, it's a cute hat. It's got Disney style. I'm not a hat person. But I'm sure we will find someone who is. We've got confetti! That's it. Alright. Here's something I can get behind. A toothpick holder. We use a lot of toothpicks in this house. Toothpicks are delicious. I'll put a better picture of this in the photo box. Boop. It's a cute shot glass. I really like it. 2020, Mickey Mouse. You guys know I'm all about Mickey. So, yeah, a toothpick holder. No price on it. But it's cute. I will use that. Picture, boop. Thanks. Alrighty. You know, I was just saying the other day I could really use an umbrella. I live in Nevada, but this looks nice. Whoa! Holy crap! Alright. $12. That's not a bad umbrella for 12 bucks. If you were in the park, that'd be like $75. Have you guys ever had to buy an umbrella in the park? Holy cow. They are not messing around with those. Will you come and get this? Thank you. That was totally by accident. Alright. Oh boy. She just... I don't know if you could hear that or not, but... she was cleaning it and it went off. Alright. We have got an earring set. I will take this out of the package and put it on in the photo box, boop, so you can see that. It's from Neon Tuesday. So everybody who has earrings in this house has super sensitive ears and have to have like metals that don't turn your head green. So we probably, not your head, but your maybe, I don't know. They're cute, so there's Stitch, and the other ones are just kind of... Alright. We have a Tinkerbell shopping bag. Alright. Gross. So, sorry. It smells like a tent. I don't know. Alright, so I know. Oh. Boop. I don't know. I mean, like, it's okay. It's Disney. It's Tinkerbell. But it's a bag. Like, I don't know. You know? Like, I would expect to see this in a dollar store. Seriously. I mean, it's like, it's not thick. It's not, I mean, I know it says it's a reusable bag, but I guess I just get spoiled from the other boxes or something. I mean, maybe if this is the only box that you get, and you're like, oh, that's cute, and you would use it, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna toss it. Alright, we've got some Jelly Bellies with Bell on the front. Serving size, 1 package, 100 calorie pack. It says 100 calories. So the flavors are cute. Sparkling berry blue, sparkling blueberry, sparkling blue bubblegum, sparkling cream soda. There's a theme going on here. Sparkling orange, sparkling sour apple, and sparkling berry cherry. It's the Disney Princess Enchanted Mix. So there's probably a good 15 jelly beans in there. Again, I feel like it's something I would see at the dollar store. And I'm really not trying to be overly mean. I do like the toothpick holder. Alright, and now, oh, here's something that Mary will like. Now here's something we hope you'll really like. That's Bullwinkle. So it's cork, like the outside of it, but it's actually a notebook. And it's got the little divider string thingy, like bookmark ribbon. And it's the 7 Dwarfs. So you can boop, put that in the photo box so you can check it out. That is Disney Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs Journal 96 sheets. No price tag. There was one, but they took it off. You can see where the adhesive is still on there. That's cute. She'll use it. And so, I mean, realistically, hey. Okay, this time, I'm sure you guys are sick of me whining about this box. We already for sure canceled it. And we will put that money towards something we enjoy. So, if you'd like to take our... If you'd like to check out our last video, you can click on this right here. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.